Alrighty. What are we doing now, buddy?
We're gonna open them up.
We're gonna open them up.
Yeah.
We just got back from the hobby store. You guys seen in our last... You fell. You guys seen in our last video that we went to the hobby store and we seen all the cool RCs. And this is what we ended up with. A pair of Team Associated trucks. This one is the SC28, the 128 scale short course truck.
What I picked.
That's the one that Mason picked. And this is the RC28T, which is, excuse me, it's supposed to mimic the original, it's a replica of the iconic RC10T team kit. So they should be identical trucks. They're both 128 scale. They're both ready to run. Yeah, so let's get to unboxing. Alright, so we got this knife. It's sharp. Don't use knives without adults around. Slash, don't use knives. Let the adults do the knives. Okay. Gonna cut mine. I'm gonna cut yours. Like that. There we go. And we're gonna do our unboxing. Oh, is it gonna be a race? Oof. Oh, there we go. Well, that was fairly quick. Some instructions and stickers.
Oh, I see the remote controller already. And it comes with batteries.
Comes with batteries.
Stickers.
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 Ooh.
Mine's a fox.
Ooh. Ha! Got my truck. Boing. Probably gonna have to use the knife.
Your RC.
Fancy. There we go. Ha! I win. Mine's done. I'm the best. Woo!
Because I didn't know how to even get the RC.
Alright, well, we got both of these unboxed. We're going to have to label the two controllers unless they're clearly different looking, which they are not. They are very, very identical.
So you have to put your stickers on yours.
943, 310. Okay. Should be easy enough to remember. Yeah, we'll put stickers on ours so we know which one's what. Okay, so first impressions. Looks pretty cool. I like how my truck is, well, like it said it was. It was supposed to be a replica of the original truck kit. Mason's truck is more designed to be like a trophy truck looking thing. And that's kind of what it looks like. You flip them over, we look at the back side, and look at that. They are identical. So that's cool. Same wheelbase, same all that stuff. Cool. Should be a fairly fun time. Let's see what we got to do to charge these and drive these. Alright, so we got the batteries in the controller. Controller feels pretty cheap. I mean, the whole ready-to-run kit was only $59 at our local hobby store at the time of this filming. I mean, I guess for 60 bucks, can't complain too much. Doggo loves RCs. He chases these things all over, don't you, Marshmallow? Yes, you do. That's a phone call. I will call you back in a minute. So, yep. We got these little plugs that are kind of a pain to get out of the battery compartment, and they're not really convenient, so I'm just decided to leave them out. That way it makes it nice and easier for us. And now we're going to charge them and leave them sit for a bit, and we will be back. Alright, so Mason has to charge his because the switch was left on when we opened the box. Mine, however,
was left off.
Mine is good to go
Yeah.
because mine is better. And of course, the doggo really, really, really wants it.
Yeah.
So I think we're going to have to either put the doggos away or go where somewhere doggos aren't so we don't get our RC eaten. Mason,
Yeah.
it's wet outside.
Yeah.
Why is it so wet outside?
Because it's raining.
Why is it raining?
Because.
We want to have fun. Ugh. All right, well, let's back up a little bit.
Can I test?
All right, well, I guess we're going to have to end this video right here. And we're going to wait for Mason's RC to charge. And we will check back. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think of these little things. And yeah, we'll see you next time.